Hello, my name is Annie Belanger, and today I'll be doing a review of a product called Graphik. So in a nutshell, Graphik is a software that will allow you to create all sorts of graphic logos and presentations. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick with me because I will be giving you more details. I'll be doing a full demo. But before we get to that, I have some awesome bonuses that you should look into. So click on the link below this video to check them out. As you can see, when you click on the link below the video, you will see my page where you can get instant awesome bonuses and also lots of explanation about Graphik. Here are the bonuses, so I strongly recommend you look into them because they have tremendous value that will enhance your graphic product. You also have a demo video, but you can check that later. In the meantime, let's not wait and go to their sales page where you can see what Graphik has to offer. So as I said, it's a software that will allow you to create and design graphics, videos, logos, and banner. And the interesting thing is that they have unlimited number of images, logos, icons, what have you, without any restrictions. So without further ado, let's go into the product itself. So when you first log on, you see that you have your dashboard where you have all your different actions that you can do. You can do graphic creator, for example. You can create a social media cover. It's opening up, and so everything you do is there to load. You can drop your images, you can add some text, clip arts, and they're all free. So it's very interesting that you don't have to pay for an image you might like, but oftentimes you have a cost attached to it. So that is an interesting part. And then you have the icon and logo generator. So again, it's loading up, and you may choose anything that interests you. So if you click on home, you see if you choose the background setting, you can play with the dimensions, the opacity, you can change the colors, etc., etc. You can also search images. So it's taking a bit to load. So example, if I search sailboat, you have all types of pictures that can load. You can load this one and then adjust it. So it's pretty neat. You have backgrounds removal, so you can upload a file here and play with the background. You have the image editor. Again, you can upload a photo and you can play with it and change anything you like. Same again for video editor, so you can download your videos and arrange them to make them look as you want. You can search videos. You can, let's see, I'm going to keep the same theme here, and see you have videos that you can check and have fun with it. You can search vectors. I'm not even sure what that is. You have video templates. So You can download and play with that. Then you have your support, your tutorial, your bonuses. So a pretty neat tool that will help you create a lot of content with no limitations, as I was saying earlier, on the pricing for some restricted image that you may want to use. So again, don't forget to click the link below if you're interested in the product. You will have also access to all of my bonuses. I think they're a great addition. And I want to thank you for watching this short video. I hope it helped you make your decision. Have a great day. Bye-bye.